In this video, I'll show you how to open and verify a Binance account. First, start by opening your web browser and going to Binance.com, then click on the Register button to begin creating your account. Enter your email address in the provided field and click Next to proceed. After that, check your email inbox for a message from Binance, which will contain an activation code. Open the email, copy the code, and go back to Binance to paste it into the required field. This step is very important because it confirms your email and links it to your Binance account. Next, you need to create a strong and secure password for your account to keep it protected. Next, click Done to finish creating your Binance account. At this point, your account is created, but you will need to verify your identity before you can access all features or start trading. Verifying your Binance account is an essential step for security and regulatory compliance, and it usually takes just a few minutes if you follow the instructions carefully. You will need a government-issued ID, such as a passport, ID card, or driver's license, as well as a proof of address, which can be a utility bill, bank statement, or any official document that clearly shows your full name and address. To start the verification process, choose your country from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Binance offers two options for verification. You can either use video identification directly through the Binance app on your smartphone, which is faster and more convenient, or you can continue on your computer. I highly recommend using the app because it simplifies the process and speeds up verification. To do this, scan the QR code provided on the Binance website, download the Binance app to your phone, and open it. Once the app is installed, log in using the email and password you just set up. After logging in, tap on Verify Identity, then select your country again and click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your personal information, making sure it exactly matches the information on your ID documents. After entering your details, click Continue to start the identity verification process. You will then select the issuing country of your ID and the type of document you want to use for verification. Take a clear and well-lit photo of your ID, making sure that all text and details are readable. Once that photo is submitted, you will be prompted to complete a short video call with a Binance agent. During this video call, show your ID to the agent so they can confirm that you are the person listed on the document. After successfully completing the video verification, the next step is verifying your phone number. Enter your mobile number and then input the verification code sent to you via SMS. This ensures that Binance can contact you securely and protects your account from unauthorized access. Binance may also ask a few compliance questions to confirm your details, so answer them carefully and click Continue. The final step in the verification process is confirming your address. Enter your full address, then select the type of document you will submit for proof of address. Make sure the document clearly shows your full name and address, as this is necessary for full account verification. Once you submit your document, Binance will review your information. After approval, you will receive an email confirming that your identity has been verified, giving you full access to all features, including deposits, withdrawals, and trading.